Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we will be milling some hemlock for our dwindling inventory. We're going to be speeding through some logs today, and I actually mean it when I say speeding through logs. We got the drive belt replaced for the first time since we got the mill, and boy is it a night and day difference. I can go so freaking fast now. I forgot how fast this machine can really go. And with the new drive belt on, it is just making a huge difference. I mean, the mill, you can just, you hear it, you listen to it, and you know when it's struggling and you need to slow down. Not anymore. Not anymore at all. This is the old belt right here. It has seen better days. You might not really see the wear on it too much on the video, but up against the new one, you could definitely tell that this one is beat. So the new one's on and it is running fantastic. We busted out 101 by 10 by 12s just this morning. No big deal. It was just super quick. Now Jade can't keep up. So we are going to be speeding through some more logs for you here in a second. And you know what I'll do is I'll just do all real time so that you can see how fast it's going. If you're used to watching the mill in the videos for the past couple months, then you'll probably notice a difference like I do. So let's get into it. That log literally took 5 minutes to cut, which is pretty crazy in my opinion. Now, that was with a brand new blade, so that's about as fast as you're gonna go. Now, it wasn't a very small log, it wasn't a very large one, it was a pretty decent medium-sized log. So yeah, 5 minutes a log, that's not bad at all. We're gonna keep on cutting here, trying to bust out as much as we can, but it is freaking hot out. It's above average. It went from being below average temperatures to above average. We're in this huge heat wave right now. It's like 90 degrees out here. So yeah, it's a hot one. It's gonna be like that tomorrow as well. So we're just trying to keep in the shade, not get too burned out here, but we're gonna keep rolling and hopefully we can bust out a couple more logs before the day's over. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also, hype this video if you think it was worth it. Other than that, I'll see you back here next time. Bye.